How to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go ahead through the steps on how you can hide your Snapchat story from anyone. Well, to hide your Snapchat story from anyone, what you can do is you can simply open up Snapchat first. Now here, while posting a story, so suppose you take a picture here and you want to post it to your story, right? This way, and then you want to proceed to add it to your story. Now what you can do is you can see your story, my public, and how much time that you can set to, or your story and to friends only. These two options. Now you can either set it to friends only option so that you, other than your friends, no one else will be able to see it directly here. Now to change this, to hide it from anyone, what you want to do is you want to head into settings. So head into your profile, head into settings. Under settings, head into privacy controls option. So you can see privacy controls, and under privacy controls you'll be able to see the option that says view my story option. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to set it to custom, and now you want to only select particular friends that you would like for them to see your story, and then save it, and that way other than them no one else will be able to view your story. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.